What does it take to stand out in a sport where nearly every competitor is faster, stronger, and male? How do you make history in not just one, but two of the world's toughest racing leagues? And what if I told you, one woman took them all on and changed racing forever? This is the story of Danica Patrick, the barrier-breaking icon who proved that horsepower doesn't care about gender, only guts. Born in 1982 in Beloit, Wisconsin, Danica wasn't raised in luxury. She was raised in garages and racetracks. By age 10, she was dominating go-kart circuits. While her friends played with dolls, Danica was chasing podiums. She dropped out of high school and moved to England at just 16 to race with the best, learn with the fastest, and fight for every inch of track. In 2005, she exploded onto the American scene at the Indy 500, not just racing, but leading laps. She became the first woman ever to lead the Indianapolis 500, finishing fourth, an unheard-of debut. The media went wild. The fans couldn't believe it, but Danica, she knew she was just getting started. In 2008, she made history, the first woman to win an IndyCar race in Japan. No gimmicks, no excuses, just pure speed and precision, but she wasn't done breaking barriers. In 2012, she made the jump to NASCAR, where elbows are sharper, tempers run hotter, and the racing is brutal. In a world of V8 engines, bumper-to-bumper combat, and 200 mm of chaos, Danica held her ground. In 2013, she became the first woman to win the pole position at the Daytona 500. Let that sink in. Out of 43 of the best drivers in the world, she started first, on the biggest stage in American racing. Sure, she wasn't always on the podium, but her presence alone was seismic. Every lap she turned cracked the foundation of a sport that once said, "Women don't belong here." And let's be real, she didn't just deal with cars. She dealt with criticism, stereotypes, and headlines that cared more about her looks than her lap times. But Danica kept showing up, kept fighting, kept racing, and when she retired in 2018, she left behind a legacy no one could deny. Danica Patrick didn't just compete, she opened the door and kicked it wide open. Today, she's a businesswoman, author, and mentor. But for every girl who dreams of putting on a helmet and hearing an engine roar, Danica is still the blueprint. So next time someone tells you, you can't do it, just smile and do what Danica did. Put your foot down and go full throttle. If this story inspired you, give it a like, share your favorite Danica moment in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more legends who rewrote the rules of racing.